Hello everyone. Well, one thing about living on a boat is that the boat becomes your house. And you get comfortable and you live in it. But now that the boat is getting ready to have the lines untied and to move south, now we have to turn our house back into a boat. So in this episode, I hope that you enjoy seeing us turn our house back into a boat.
Hey everybody, how you doing? In this episode, we take a look at our boat, getting ready to equip it, move it on out, and so we can head south. Well, like many cruisers that stay at a port or a dock or wherever they are for a while, the engine hasn't been fired up in a while, so just check the oil and the water, the V-belts, and open up the seacock for the coolant for the engine, and we're going to fire her up for the first time in many, many moons. So here we go. Well, as you can hear, the engine's fired up pretty well. Our venerable old British Thornycroft T90 diesel engine.
Now watch your foot, that was pushing you like away.
No, it wasn't. Actually, it wasn't.
Okay.
That's why I only did it halfway.
I don't know if I like that there.
Having difficulty getting access to change the oil.
Yeah, do you want me to film it? Let me have the camera. Alright, so this is where we have to get access to pump out the oil. This is a little handle here where they used to be able to hand pump the oil to come out, but that's busted. We've tried fixing it in one of the older videos. Vinny even showed you how he did a great attempt at trying to replace the little gasket on the inside. That didn't work, but what the problem is, here you can see, there's a little spigot. Let's see if I can get the light on there. There we go. Right there, there's a spigot. And that spigot used to have a little faucet that came off the side. That's where the oil would come out. That's taken off, but now that looks just like a little empty washer sitting out there. Well, unfortunately, when I was unscrewing here, the whole thing turned in the canister, and it turned so that that little gasket now is pressing against this rubber gasket, and it is just pretty much, I don't know if you can see, it's just wedged in there. So every time I move this up or down, it wedges there and it can't get up high enough. I literally have less than 1/8 of not even a centimeter to get this up and off this tube here. But this little thing here, can't see it. Well, anyways, it keeps hitting the rubber gasket and it can't do it, so that's the problem.
It's time to just take a little break, have a little fun. We're going to start a fire and have some dinner, so come on along with us.
I love a fireplace. Oh, wow.
It's definitely not summertime anymore.
Well, this has been a real surprise blessing to be at this marina. We thought we would be coming down south all the way from Annapolis by now, and you know how that didn't work. And we are really grateful that if we grounded somewhere that was safe and secure, we grounded here. So I'm very grateful for that. And this place has just been beautiful. It's been very peaceful. It's been a real place of rest and restoration for us. So I'm really grateful. Ooh, look at that moon.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice full moon, a couple nights. Everybody, it's actually a lot darker out right now. For some reason, this camera kind of like makes it lighter than it really is. So we're going up to these fire pits because Amy wants to start a fire. Isn't that true?
It is true. I like to start fires. But like, you know, in a fire pit for fun, you know, barbecue kind of outdoor recreational activities.
It feels like the first day of fall down here. It got really cool out and it's been nice.
I don't have any hot dogs to roast though.
What kind of stuff we got to eat?
Well, we have bread and cheese.
Okay, it's there in the right here. Are we on the wine diet again?
It's the elixir of something, I don't know what. This isn't really fire pit food, but it's still delicious and fun, and it's what we got. So.
Feels like Thanksgiving's coming soon, doesn't it? Feels very...
I love the fall. It's my favorite season.
Check out these fire pits. Really nice. Look, here's a little one.
Take some of that out or put it aside then. You know?
Okay.
All this. It's a good piece. Alright, and fire starters.
Yeah, I got some right there. The fat wood. Here you go. What kind of food we got in here? Let's see. We got some good stuff in here. Some cheese and bread and looks like cucumbers and hummus. Looks good.
Ready, Mr. Gallagher?
Yeah, it looks like it's coming good. You got a good fire going.
So here is to a new season. Love you.
I love you too, baby.
Best is yet to come.
That's right.
So cheddar cheese and bread over a little smoky flame. Really good.
Good?
Delicious.
Let me try some. That's really good. It's like smoky and the cheese is melted. Were you a Girl Scout when you were little?
I was actually.
Yeah? Did you sell Girl Scout cookies?
No, I just ate them.
Oh, really?
Well.
Were you a good salesman or no?
I was terrible.
Really? Why?
I ate them and made my mother have to pay for them to get sales credits. My poor mom. Woo! It's cooking now.
So you weren't much of a salesperson?
No, I was not. And I went next door and knocked on the door and interrupted, you know, the family, and went out pretty upset, crying, and ended up, I ate a whole box, 1 or 2 boxes of Thin Mints, so that my mom would have to then pay for it, so I could say that I sold 2 boxes of cookies.
Well, that's smart.
No, it's...
For a child?
Chicken Little. But I hear you actually were the opposite as a child. You found a painting your dad had thrown out in the trash, and then you took it out of the trash and sold it to a neighbor for like 50 cents or something.
Yeah, I got some candy money out of it, you know. Yeah, well, it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of energy to be an entrepreneur, but it's great. It's great not to work for a boss.
I've always worked for a boss, even when we were self-employed.
Oh, yeah, you work for me. Well, some people are really good with that, and that's good. They got lots of benefits and stuff. Others are more made, the better to work for themselves. And it's kind of boom or bust. They either go broke or they are able to support themselves or even become very successful. But some people are more suited to work for others, and that's good too. So it all depends on what your personality is like.
Yeah, nice and warm. Are you getting any of the warm?
Yeah, I'm starting to get warm from it. Yeah, it's good. Can you make me another one of those little toasty bread cheese things? Mm-hmm. That was a pretty good little concoction that you came up with.
Yeah, I didn't want marshmallows, so.
Yeah, this is much better than marshmallows.
No, marshmallows are good, but not dinner material.
Toasting some more bread and cheese?
Si, senor.
Look how bright the moon is, and it's still 2 nights away from being a full moon. Well, that was a great evening. We're looking forward to heading out, but unfortunately the weather's been pretty nasty lately, and the Neuse River has had a small craft advisory. There's been a gale warning, and we do have to cross it. So later that night, we headed back to the boat. I thought about what else we need to do to get ready to head south. And again, it's been just such a great time here at this marina. It's called River Dunes Marina, those of you that haven't figured that out. And it is probably the nicest marina, one of the nicest marinas that we've been to. So we continue to wait for our weather window and take care of the rest of the things that we need to take care of. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. Here's a little snippet of trash talking that me and Amy like to do and have fun.
So enjoy.
Talking trash with Amy.
I'm not going to do the whole episode.
Yeah. We should also do an episode called The Dark Side of the ICW.
Yes, you wanted to do that for a while, actually.
We also have an upcoming episode called Marina Murder Mystery. There's some nefarious goings on at the marina.
Never know.
And here's a great shot of Amy's butt.
Okay. Vincent, put it on YouTube.
I think Amy is the most beautiful woman on YouTube in all the sailing channels. Sure, she might not show a lot of skin, like them youngins do, but she ain't exactly 22 years old. In fact, she's a member of the AARP.
What? What does that have to do with anything?
And I just like to talk trash.
Yes, you do.
Talking trash with Amy.
I'm not going to do the whole episode. So I hope that you like this episode, and my goal is that, and our goal is that next episode we're going to be actually moving the boat down south.
If you want YouTube to notify you via email when we post a new video, just go to the home page of your YouTube page and just click this little bell. You'll see it up there up the top. Thanks for watching. Amy and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click that thumbs up icon. Please leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.